Welcome back. So today we're going to do some spicy chicken broccoli on our Blackstone Griddle. My name is RJ and this is Beginner's Barbecue Outdoors. Alright, so here we have it. We have our broccoli, we have our chicken breast that I cut in pieces. We're going to be using our meat church fajita, our Japanese barbecue sauce, hot and spicy. And to add a little bit more spice, I got some diced jalapenos that I'm gonna add to this. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our black. All right, I just put some oil down. Let's go ahead and add our chicken. Let's add. All right. Alright, since our garlic is a little bit on the frozen side, let's go ahead and add that too. Alright, so apparently I got the wrong size broccoli, but that's okay. I cut them in little pieces. Try to. So. Some oil. All right, so our chicken's pretty much almost done. Now we can add all this together and it'll continue cooking. Let's add our jalapenos. Let's add some of this Japanese hot and spicy. Put on low. All right, this is ready to come out. All right, we'll be back. All right, here you have it. Oh my God, if you guys can smell this, it smells so good. So good. So let's get a little bit of everything. Look at that. Oh my God. This hot and spicy Japanese barbecue sauce is really good. I like it. It has a little sweet, but it has that spiciness to it. Of course, I had to add a little bit more, some jalapenos in there just to add that extra spice to it. All right, let's go ahead and give it a try. So flavorful. Wow, this is good. I love broccoli. And so, if it was up to me, I would add more broccoli and a little bit more extra veggies. You know, some carrots. But oh my God, it's so good. All right, make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let me know what else will you guys add to this deliciousness in the comments. I will see you guys next time.